Hey, what's up you guys? Styles here. Thanks for clicking. Hope all is well. I'm not sure if you caught my last video where I did the polycrylic spray. This is going to be a follow-up, real quick video. We did the wash test so you guys can see exactly how they held up. I'll let you know what I thought about them, and then you guys can formulate your own thought, whether there's something you want to use or not. So, this is the image here that we used. And when it comes to ink release, it's like non-existent. There's like over 90% of our image that is still here on this paper. So keep that in mind. First off, we've got our polycrylic spray shirt here. And for a firm reference, check out the last video. As you can tell, it did fade. But for being 100% cotton, it's not bad. Now, is this something that I would use? Yes and no. So here we have the non-treated. And you can tell that this did fade. However, I am impressed that it didn't fade as much as I thought it would. Although after a few more washes, I'm sure it's gonna go. You can tell the most in the black. Now, I think this would be perfect if you're going for that vintage look, which I tend to dig, or if you're gonna do like that bleach deal, where you bleach the front or bleach tie-dye. This is not a bad play. Also, for like a memorial shirt, birthday shirt, like a one-off, if you're in a pinch, this will get the job done. Now, if you guys want to see what it looks like on a hard good, I got the Dollar Tree mug here. Leave me in the comments below. We'll make that happen for you. Now, as far as the best out of sublimation, nothing's gonna beat 100% polyester. Like this shirt here, it's been washed several times. In fact, you can wash it over 1,000 times, and the worst that's gonna happen is your shirt may disintegrate, but your image will not fade. You really can't say that for a DTF transfer, or heck, many other transfers for that matter. Also, the pan feel, it's not there. This is embedded into the shirt. So sublimation is still my go-to. Anyway, neither here nor there, it's not what this is about. So, once again, if you guys want to see that with the polycrylic on the Dollar Tree mug, leave me in the comments below. We'll make it happen for you. If not, hey, this has been Jay Styles. You guys be kind. And if you're so inclined, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Maybe even share with a friend or three.